Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide participants in Zoom. This is a fantastic feature if you want to minimize distractions during meetings or simply keep your meeting view cleaner and more focused. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.es. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with the meetings where you want to apply these settings. This step is essential as it gives you access to your Zoom account's configuration options. After logging in, you'll see a sidebar on the left side of your screen. Look for the option labeled My Account and click on it. This will take you to your account overview page. From here, select Settings. You're now in the Control Center where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience. Next, click on Meeting. This section contains all the settings related to how your meetings behave and appear. Now, scroll down through the meeting settings until you find an option called Hide Participant Profile Pictures in a Meeting. This might take a moment to locate as there are many settings available, but keep scrolling until you spot it. Once you've found it, toggle this option to On. Enabling this setting ensures that participant profile pictures won't be displayed during your meetings, creating a more streamlined visual experience. With the web settings configured, it's time to move to the Zoom app. Open your Zoom application on your computer and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the same account you just configured on the web to ensure the settings carry over properly. Once you're logged in, join a meeting. This could be a meeting you're hosting or one you've been invited to. The next steps will apply to the meeting view itself, so you need to be actively in a meeting to complete them. Now that you're in the meeting, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a tab labeled View. Click on this tab to reveal a drop-down menu with various view options. From this menu, select Hide Non-Video Participants. This action will remove any participants who don't have their video turned on from your meeting view, allowing you to focus solely on those who are actively sharing video. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Zoom to hide participants both through your account settings and within an active meeting. This combination gives you maximum control over your meeting display, helping you maintain focus and reduce visual clutter. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.